Do you know, just as there are varieties of clothes to wear for your babies, there are varieties of skill that your baby is gonna master while self-dressing. Thank you once again for stepping by my channel. Today I'll be sharing with y'all when do toddlers start self-dressing. Before your baby learns self-dressing up, they should master the skill of getting undressed. When your baby reaches toddlerhood, there is a burst in development like they can walk, they can run, they can jump full-fledged and potty train too. But self-dressing is very essential skill that your baby needs to master. In this video you might find something different and very useful because I have seen on net on this topic no one has covered any video yet. So do watch the video completely. So now let's go back in the life of my Miggy baby when he was much younger. He is trying to say that he wanna take out the jacket. Here Miggy baby is 17 to 18 months. He can now clearly instruct us about take out my socks, take out my jacket. He was not able to take off but started to express that he needs help to take off his shoes, his jacket with action. So before your child masters the art of dressing up, you should expect them to undress first. So let's move on to his old clip where he is taking off his socks himself. And then when Miggy baby was around 21 to 23 months old, he was able to take off his shoes and socks too. If you are interested in knowing the growth and development and milestone of every month activity of your infant and toddler, you will get it all on my channel's playlist. I'll drop the link in the description box below. And then he gradually learned to take off the pants too. So before he learned to dress up, he first learned to undress, and it began from taking off shoes and socks first. At a very young age, when your baby learns to take off the shoes, you can teach them to keep it on place at the same time. Here my Miggy baby have just completed 3 and he can put on the clothes. So now let me take you all in the past from where it began. When Miggy baby was 20 months old, I used to help him put on his pants, his clothes. I used to instruct him, put your right leg, put your left leg. This helped him to revise his body parts too. You can even check out this video of his growth and development in my channel's playlist. I'll drop the link of every month's growth and development of your infant and toddler in my description box too. Now check out his 2 years old clip. 2-year-old baby should be able to wear the clothes with the help of an adult. Sometimes he can also wear the pants by himself. By this age, they are able to understand the sequence of putting on the clothes, and this is what helps them to improve their cognitive skill. Even if they cannot wear at this age, but they'll pick up the top to wear it on the top part of their body and pant to be worn on their legs. 29 to 30 month old baby can pull up the pants, but it shouldn't be jeans. It should be loose pajama, boxer or 3/4. At this age, they still cannot wear jacket and t-shirts by themselves. But if given practice, they can wear the jacket, put head in t-shirt with a little bit of help, and also they can wear their own shoes. But the shoe should be a bit bigger in size so that it becomes easier for them to put on. Now let's see what he was able to wear when he was 31 to 32 months old. Babies at this age should be able to put on the socks with a little bit of help or maybe by themselves. They should be able to take off their pants. They should be able to put on the jacket and take off the jacket by themselves or maybe a little bit of help. Wear the shoes in a right leg. Yeah, right leg. If from the beginning you keep teaching your baby right and left while you make them wear, so by this age they are easily gonna identify their right and left hands and legs. There are many parents who don't let their baby wear clothes by themselves, but it is very important to give chance to your baby to wear their dress, to wear their shoes, their socks by themselves. This is how they learn, and by the time they are 3, they are going to be pro in it.
Can you wear your clothes? Let me see, can Miggy wear it?
So this is the recent video of my Miggy baby where he has just turned 3 this month. And by the age of 3 he can wear pants, shirts and jackets and also shoes and socks. What he is not able to do till now is he cannot close the buttons, he cannot put the zip, he cannot tie the lace. Lifting arms and legs in specific coordinated movement into shirt sleeves and balancing while wearing a pant and shoes improves the gross motor skill of your child. It is possible that at this age your baby is not able to wear the cloth, so still it's not too late. Just give a try to your baby, just give him some practice. And the most important thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to give your baby the clothes that are loose fit, because that will make it easier for them to put on by themselves. I'll be soon uploading a video of my 3-year-old Miggy baby where he'll be wearing entire dressing, shoes and socks by himself. And once I upload, I'll drop the link in this video's description box too.
If you all found the video useful, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to smash on the bell button too so that you don't miss on to my latest upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye.